Hi guys, as you can see we have a simple pendulum animation here. Suppose we want to loop this animation over and over. Also our animation is divided into 3 layers as you can see. So to loop this animation, at first select all of the layers. For that hold Ctrl, then select the layers. Right click, convert layers to symbol. Give it a name like swing animation, then the type graphic, then press on OK. Go to right side, library. From here double click on the swing animation. So here we have our animation inside the swing animation symbol. But before we use it, keep this in mind that our animation is 45 frames long. Now click on this arrow to get back to the main scene. Now our animation is 45 frames long. Let's extend it to like 120 frames. Select the frame, press on F5 to extend. If we play it now, see it's looping for the whole duration. But suppose we want to start our animation from 25th frame. So how to do it? For that select the frame, then press on F6 to insert a keyframe. Go to right side again, properties, select the object, unlock the layer, select the object. At the first part we don't want any kind of animation. For that select the first frame, select the object, go to right side, properties, object, under looping select play single frame for the graphic. Now click on this button to select the frame you want. Scroll it. Suppose we want this frame. So just single click, then close the panel. Now if we play it, see there is no animation. But the second part animation is starting from the wrong frame. So how to fix it? Same, select the object, go to right side, properties, object, under looping if we select this option, the animation will play only once. And if we select this one, the animation will loop over and over. As the last frame was frame number 13, so we want our animation to start from frame 14. So select the frame, select the object, go to right side, looping, frame picker, select the 13th frame and close it. Now if we play it, see, now it's working perfectly. If you want to stop it, like around here, just select the frame, F6 to insert a keyframe, select the object, go to right side, looping, select play single frame and the frame number. And we are done. So guys, that's how easily we can loop an animation in Adobe Animate. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.